He's one of the greatest players ever to don a Chiefs uniform, earning 12 Pro Bowl nods over his stellar 14-year career. And believe it or not, it wasn't until the 74th pick in the 1993 draft that Pro Football Hall of Fame offensive guard Will Shields heard his name called. Shields was both the epitome of exceptional play and reliability during his career, starting 223 consecutive games from 1993 to 2006. His 12 Pro Bowl selections are also the most ever by a Chief, earning a trip to the annual All-Star Game every year from 1995 up until his retirement following the 2006 campaign. Shields' efforts garnered a spot on the Pro Football Hall of Fame All-Decade team for the 2000s, in addition to his eventual enshrinement in the Hall of Fame in 2015. And he was just as impactful away from the field, earning the NFL's prestigious Walter Payton Man of the Year Award in 2003 for his work in the community. His career was simply the definition of brilliance, from the third round all the way to Canton.